Question 12. So find the range of k if the quadratic equation, this one, has no real roots. Highlight the word no real roots. So for this one, for no real roots, you definitely will think about, okay, delta smaller than 0, okay, by using form format concept. Okay, then b squared minus 4ac smaller than 0. Mark it down. 4a and c. Then you can get k squared plus 4k, okay, smaller than 0. And then by using this one, you know that k times k plus 4 smaller than 0. Then your two roots will be like this. -4 and 0. Now it's more than 0, therefore you want the middle part. Therefore your answer will be k, okay, larger than -4 but smaller than 0. Done. Remember, using graphical method will be the most easiest way, okay, to do so. And what you need to check is that the coefficient of the k squared is larger than 0. Then you draw an open upward graph here. Okay, part B. So it claims that the equation here is always negative. It's always negative. So always negative means that what? Always negative means that your graph will be going down, okay, open downward, and delta smaller than 0. So this is important. Okay, if the delta, okay, here it should be smaller than 0, and the a, okay, the coefficient of x squared must be smaller than 0 also. It cannot be positive, right? Because it's open upward, then it cannot be negative. So in part B, you have to think about 2k minus 1 should be smaller than 0, and the delta again is smaller than 0. But then for the delta, it's the same as part A. You can copy the answer from part A. And then for the 2k minus 1, easy. Then k smaller than 1/2. Again, draw out the number line here. Okay, draw out the number line here to secure your answer. Because it's again a relationship, you can use the yellow and blue highlighter to highlight getting the green region. So -4 here, 0 here, 1/2 here. Then initially you already want -4 between -4, okay, and 0 here. So I highlight yellow color. And then second one, I want the smaller than 1/2 here. If I highlight these two regions, I see the green color only on the between -4 and 0 region. Therefore, my final solution, okay, will be -4 smaller than k smaller than 0. Actually, part A and part B getting the same answer.